add a continuous feather inside a triangle by adding a curved spine. Depending on the size of your feathers, you might need to repeat a design on the left or the right twice instead of alternating. The red dots show you that I placed 2 feathers on the same side instead of alternating left, right. If your feathers are bigger, you might only need to do that at the top of your triangle. If you're using a more narrow feather, you might need to start with 2 on the same side of your spine. Start with a small feather and add a second one on the same side of your spine. Only then you start adding them on the other side, alternating left, right, left, right. Once you get close to the top of your triangle, you may need to add 2 on the same side of your spine to fill the space. Continue on left, right, and create some kind of whimsical design to finish off your shapes.